Hello, my beautiful friends. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a ginger bug. Have you ever heard of a ginger bug? Well, if you haven't, do you know what a ginger bug is? Well, you can use a ginger bug to make drinks. It gives your drink some fizziness. You can make ginger ale. You can also make sorrel drink, lemonade, all kinds of fruit drinks using a ginger bug. What the ginger bug does, some fizziness. The ginger bug does not form in one day. This is like a 5 to 7 days process. Each day you have to feed the ginger bug until it's ready in order for you to use it in your drink. It's very easy to make, but it's like a pet. You have to feed it every day for the next 5 days. Could be up to 7 days. So if you want to make this ginger bug, go get some ginger, some sugar, a container, some filtered water, and we'll be doing this for the next 5 days. I'm going to use a ginger bug to make some ginger ale and some sorrel drink this weekend. So for the next 5 days, I would need to work on this ginger bug to prepare it so that I can be able to use it in my drink. I'm making one from brown cane sugar, and I'm making one from white granulated cane sugar. So these are the ingredients that I need to make the ginger bug. Ginger, of course, rubber bands, coffee filter. I'm going to make 2 kinds. This is pure granulated cane sugar, brown sugar, 2 jars, and filtered water. So if you look on the jar, it says here 4 cups. So I just need to put a little bit more. So in these 2 jars, I have 4 cups of water each that I'm going to use to make my ginger bug. Now 1 cup of sugar. So this is half a cup. And this is the other half a cup of sugar. So now that I have the sugar in here, I'm just going to stir it so it can melt. And I'm going to add half a cup of grated ginger. Now, for this one, I'm going to go ahead and stir the white granulated sugar so that this sugar will melt also. And I'm just going to add the grated ginger, also half a cup. And just keep stirring until the sugar is completely melted. Now the sugar is all melted. I don't feel any sugar in the bottom. I'm just going to cover the head. And I'm just going to let this sit for the next 5 days. Each day I will need to feed my ginger bug. I will add 2 tablespoons sugar and 2 tablespoons of grated ginger every day for the next 5 days. Then I'm going to go ahead and pour some out and keep feeding my ginger bug if I want to, or I can put it in the refrigerator and feed it once a week, and I will have a fizzy drink every week from these 2 ginger bugs. I'm going to make some ginger ale, some sorrel drink, and I'll show you how fizzy my drink will be. So here is my ginger bug. Have you ever been ginger bug?